Hi, this is Chris from Silver Cloud HR, and my top tip for successful implementations is around number formatting. So I come across with a lot of my clients issues around ID numbers and sort codes. So with ID numbers, what you do not want to do is have a 0 at the front of your ID. If you have a 0, as soon as you'd export it to Excel, it will drop that 0 off the front. So here we've got a little report that I built earlier. If I export this to Excel, we'll see that the numbers that we have on the IDs will no longer work. So you can see we now have two ID numbers that look exactly the same, even though in our HR system they look different. Similarly, we'll also see that we've got some issues with the sort codes. These all look like correct sort codes in our system, but once we export them to Excel, the ones that had a dash in have turned into a date, and the one that had a 0 at the beginning has lost the 0 from the front. But the one that had spaces in has formatted correctly. So those are my top tips for unique IDs. Always start with a number of 1 or greater. Don't start with a 0 because it will drop off the front in Excel. And for sort codes, always use spaces instead of dashes so that when it's exported to Excel, it treats it as text and keeps it in the format that you want.